Okay, good afternoon, everybody, partners and tutor, and this is activity of our best friend. Okay, my best friend, his name is Camilo. And when we were kids, we used to hang out in the parks. That was a moment where we met and started our friendship. We studied in the same school. And when we were kids, we walking with the girls from the school, and we liked to go out eat ice cream. He was a good at the math in the school and was a very popular with the other students. His best skill was playing football. Every day in the afternoon, we were ready to go out with our girls and play soccer for our team. We had the best position in the team. Our coach always give us his congratulations together. Now we are 25 years old and we work together in the building apartment on the outskirts of the city. With this job we pay for our university to have a better opportunity in our life. My friend, his big dream is to buy a house for his sister and who have a cancer, so that's why Camilo is my best friend. This is the best friend for me. Okay, thanks.